So let's just begin with some gentle exercises to help open up the body and prepare you for the poses and postures that we're going to be doing in today's practice. Just with two loose fists, see if you can trace a figure 8 pattern with your hands from side to side, just working through the wrists and the forearms, keeping the heel down, softening through that back knee as much as you can. Shifting the weight forward to roll up to the ball of the foot, stretching the bottom of the foot. Shift this a little bit more forward and back. So walking the hands a little bit further in front of your body. Extend the spine, shifting forward. And then as you round, we're going to shift the hips back, stretching again through the bottoms of the feet. Inhale, shifting forward, arching through the back. And round and shift back. Hips towards the heels, if you can sit all the way back. So just taking a minute to walk the feet out to pyramid pose. So nice wide stance with the feet. Heels are slightly pressed out towards the corners of the mat. We're going to interlace the fingers behind the back. Take a deep breath in, lift the heart. And exhale, fold forward from the hips, just continuing to let the arms fall behind your back. Stretching across the front of the chest and the shoulders here. Shifting your weight forward. And again, setting this up to your own degree. Hands maybe come to the inside of the foot, both of them. Maybe heel toeing that front foot a little bit wider. And perhaps even coming to your forearms. And release. Good, circling through the ankles. Just make a couple rotations here through the ankles. If you want to elevate the upper back slightly, you could slide your pillow right in between your shoulder blades to extend that stretch through the chest as well. So let's just go ahead and begin with some gentle mobility exercises just to get the body warmed up and ready to move. Good, now just return those arms to that 90-degree angle. We're going to take a deep breath in and stretch those arms straight up overhead, really trying to keep them right outside of your ears, imagining as if you're doing this standing against a wall and you want to keep the backs of your hands against that wall. And then from here, we're going to make this larger and take a nice big circle from the hip. Again, feel free to hold on to a chair or a wall if you need some balance assistance for this. Moving into goddess pose, take a deep breath in, reach the arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, bend the knees out over the toes as far as you can, lower the arms. Inhale, stretch up, reach to the sky. Exhale, bending the knees out over the toes. To just drop open to the side. So getting a nice groin stretch here in preparation for half happy baby. So from here, we're going to raise this heel up towards the sky and either hold behind the thigh, take your first 2 fingers and wrap around your big toes, or grab at the heel. Enjoy this time with yourself.